Hello, beautiful people, my fellow engineers or engineer to be, Peter here again. Today we're going to enroll our Windows 10 device into Microsoft Intune using Autopilot. In the last video, we already created our deployment profile. I apologize for that noise if you can hear that in the background. So, what we're going to do is this. Let's go ahead and bring my Hyper-V manager where I'm going to create from scratch a new virtual machine that we're going to use for these enrollments. As we already know, Autopilot 10.01. As we already know, if you have been following my video tutorial in the past, I guess you learn how to deploy virtual machine via Hyper-V manager. So this shouldn't be new for you, but since you're following these video series, we're going to be doing it this way. So here we're deploying Windows 10 and everything should be looking good. For the sake of this video, I'm going to fast forward this video so that you don't have to wait. I'll be right back. Alright, now that we have a machine up and running, we wanted to enroll that to Intune using the Autopilot system. So, what do we need to do? We don't have to do much than to do what we actually did in the last video, if I remember. Yeah, which means that we're going to enroll these manually in Windows Autopilot. So what I do here is that I click on Shift F10 and that brings the CMD. I'm going to type notepad.exe. So now that I have a notepad, I'm going to copy the code right here. So this would make the enrollment easy for me. So I'm going to copy and just go back here, paste. Copy again, paste. And click on yes. Please note that this process might take a while, depend on your resources. It takes like maybe 5 minutes, but now that that is done, I copy this line again, paste it, copy this line again. So what this is actually doing is that it is going to upload this device to our device right here, the enrollment device. It's going to enroll the device right here. So it's going to get up a serial number, manufacturer information, the model, the profile status. So we just have to wait a little bit. Apologize for the background noise if you can hear that. I'm actually outside today. So we need to have a Microsoft Azure admin, or if you already have the assignment for this one. So let me pull up my credentials. Alright, what I've done behind the scene is to actually sign in with my admin account. So to get these, which is going to help to get this device up here in the portal. So this might take a while, maybe let's say 3 to 5 minutes to complete everything. But that's not a problem because with a powerful video editor, I'm going to fast forward this video so that you don't have to wait too much. Thank you. All right, it looks like everything finished right now. Let's go ahead and look at our device, the dashboard, and go. I'm going to refresh. Now, there we go. It's already here. So we are not going to do anything right now because the profile is not assigned. It takes some few minutes for this status to actually change. So let's wait a little bit while I fast forward the video and for this profile status to change to assigned. I'll be right back. All right. It actually takes like around 5 to, let's say, 7 to 10 minutes for these profile status to change. So after that, we go back to our machine. So then we go ahead and restart. Oh, you can actually turn it off and you can turn it on again. So let's take a look. Everything looks good right here, to be honest, for me, with no issues. All right, so let's watch our autopilot in progress. Let's see what it's going to do. What I would do here in the video, just for you not to wait, I'm not going to fast forward that really quick. I'm gonna go like a little bit fast, slow, so that in order for you to enjoy maybe and see what the process looks like. But I will take you through the journey. Don't worry about that. I will walk you through the journey. So we are learning together right here. This is a lab, so I want us to have the same experience while we are working on this lab. So it looks like the machine is going to restart. Let's take a look. All right, look at that. This is actually the branding that I have in my Intune portal from the tenant administration. So everything looks good for me. I'm going to put in my user. It's gonna ask me for the password. All right. Everything is setting up for us. Because we don't have any application associated right here, this autopilot is going to be faster than expected. So I'm going to look at that. I'm going to fast forward this process a little bit, then I'm going to be back when it's finished. Thank you so much. I'll be right back. Wow, it looks like everything is done right now. That's amazing. So our device is ready. Look at that. Your device is ready. Your work or school account is ready to use. Wow, that's awesome. So let's go back to our device right here. Now we have one Linux machine that we enrolled in the last video. Now we have a Windows machine. Let's go to all our devices right here. Now we see that we have this. Even though it's showing non-compliant, I think this is the Ubuntu, yes. So this, okay, now look at this. In the last video where we actually look at how to do the template, and the template is actually applying right here with the W lab with the serial number of the device. So I'm very happy on how this is going. It's looking great for the autopilot device. So our machine is actually up and running with no issues. How do we know that this device is actually managed by Intune? We go to Access Work or School. We click on it and we see this info button. So everything is connected right now. I'm super happy. And that will be it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you for listening. And if you do have any question, please put it down in the comment section below. I'll be very glad to listen to you and walk you through your own lab also. And if you find this video valuable, please do like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until the next time, peace out. Bye bye for now.